If you're Canadian and you want to build an online business, this video is for you. My name is Reetu. I started dropshipping in 2016, and because of what I built online, the brands, the income, the freedom that came with it, I am now in the process of fully moving out of Canada into a tropical country. I can work from wherever I want, answer to no one, and this all started from a laptop in my home city, Montreal. Something that genuinely breaks my heart is how many Canadians are sitting on the same opportunity right now and completely missing out. Not because they're not smart enough, not because they don't know how to work hard enough, but because every resource out there is honestly built for Americans. Every strategy, every supplier list, every how I made my first $10,000 online video assumes you're in the US. So Canadians quietly convince themselves that this is just not for them. And I'm here to tell you this is simply not true. So here is exactly what I'm covering in this video. First, I'm going to show you the size the Canadian e-commerce opportunity is with real numbers that will, I promise you, actually surprise you. Then I'm going to walk you through how to launch your store step by step, including how AI builds your entire website for you so you don't even need any technical skills. After that, I'm going to introduce you to your dropshipping partner, AutoDS, the tool that finds your products, ships your orders, and handles your returns so you never have to touch any inventory. Then I'm going to get into the best niches to go after specifically as a Canadian brand, and I'm going to show you my screen and walk you through how to find products that actually sell in the market right now. By the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of exactly what to do and where to start. By the way, if you enjoy this type of content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. The more support I get from you, the more I can produce content just like this so I can help you launch your brand and move out of Canada and live wherever you want. Okay, now let's get into it. And first things first, I want to make something very, very clear. Canada is not a disadvantage, okay? Canada is one of the most untapped e-commerce markets in the world, and I'm going to show you exactly why with real numbers and real products. For example, this product right here, a glass pitcher with a lid, serves both hot and cold drinks, which is rare, and is made of the same glass as a coffee urn. This specific product did over $500,000 in profits in 2 months. And guess what? 20% of those sales came from Canada. That equates to over $100,000 in profits. Again, from Canada alone. Now, how did I find this product? I use a software called AutoDS. AutoDS is a product research and dropshipping automation platform that lets you see what's actually selling. They track winning products across the market and manage your entire store in one place. So instead of you guessing what might work, you're looking at real data, real sales number, real trends, real demand. That is how you find products like this one instead of just wasting money testing things that go nowhere. If you want to try it out, I have a special link for you that gives you AutoDS for 3 days for just $1. I will leave the link below for you to try the AutoDS in the description box below. And I will also go deeper on how to use AutoDS as a software later in the video. Next, I want to kill the biggest myth that stops a lot of Canadians from even trying online brand building. And that myth is that shipping is going to take forever because everything comes from China. Yes, before this was an issue. Now it is no longer an issue because of softwares like AutoDS. Because you know what? A lot of these manufacturers in China now have warehouses in Canada, which means your Canadian customer can receive their order in 3 to 7 business days. That is the same experience as ordering from any Canadian retailer online. So that excuse is gone. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Canadian online shoppers actually spend more per order than Americans in certain categories. The average Canadian e-commerce order value sits around $180 to $200 Canadian, and in categories like home goods, wellness, and pet products. And get this, Canadians outspend their American counterparts. A 2023 Canada Post e-commerce report showed that 77% of Canadians shop online regularly, and 38% say they increased their online spending orders compared to previous years. Now, let me give you some very specific examples of what this lands on, because some of the numbers I found even surprised me as a Canadian. In pet products, Canada has one of the highest highest pet ownership rates in the world. Over 58% of households own a pet, and the Canadian pet industry is worth over $8 billion annually and growing. And if you watch my videos in the past, you know that the pet niche does numbers and it's one of the best niches to be in online, especially as a beginner. Next, in-home and living. Canadian condo sales are at record highs in Toronto and Vancouver, which means there is a massive audience actively looking for space-saving, apartment-friendly products. In wellness, Canadians spend over $16 billion a year on health and wellness products, and the average Canadian wellness purchase online is higher than the US average. These are not small numbers. This is an underserved market with real spending power, with huge opportunity for you, and I want to explain to you specifically how you can launch an online brand and sell to Canadians. There are really just 3 things that you need in order for you to build an online business. First is a Shopify store. Shopify is your online store. Think of it as your retail location. It's where your customers land, browse your products, and check out. It's your brand's home on the internet, and before you panic thinking you need to know how to build a website, code, and all that, no, you don't. There's actually a tool I recommend called buildyourstore.ai, and this thing is actually wild. You answer a few questions about your brand, your niche, and your vibe, and it generates your homepage, your product pages, your navigation tabs, your checkout, a complete professional looking store. You don't need to touch a single line of code. This used to take weeks and cost thousands of dollars to have someone build. Now it takes a few minutes. To get started, you will click the first link in the description box and sign up. The second thing you need to launch your own online brand is a dropshipping partner, which is AutoDS. Now listen to this very clearly because this is often where I lose some of you. You absolutely need a dropshipping partner in order for you to be successful at this business. Your dropshipping partner is the platform that connects you to suppliers, automates your orders, handle your fulfillment, and manages your returns. This is how you're going to run a business without ever ordering inventory, and this is also how you're going to avoid working with suppliers that sell cheap and bad products. So how does AutoDS work exactly? When a customer buys something from your store, AutoDS automatically routes that order to the supplier. The supplier ships directly to your customer. You never pack a box. You never see the product. You never deal with the logistics. It all happens automatically. But that's honestly just a start. That's just a baseline. What AutoDS also does, it lets you filter suppliers specifically to whether they ship to Canada, which is exactly what we're covering in this video. So you're not guessing which supplier works here. You filter, you see shipping times, and you see the cost. You know exactly what your customer experience is going to look like before you ever list a product on your website. They also have a product research tool built in, price monitoring, so your margins don't ever get destroyed when a supplier changes their costs, and they handle returns and exchanges on your behalf. Without a tool like AutoDS, running the backend of your business is basically you doing everything manually, and I promise you that is not sustainable, as I'm sure a lot of you watching right now have a 9-to-5 job, a life, family, friends, and all that. So your dropshipping partner is what makes this a real business instead of a stressful side project. So once your store is live and AutoDS is connected, you need the right products. AutoDS's marketplace has thousands of suppliers. Let me show you how you can find suppliers that ship to Canada. All you have to do is log in and filter specifically for Canada shipping. And by the way, this does not mean that they only then ship in Canada. They can also be shipping to US and other countries. By putting this filter, you just know that for sure these suppliers definitely ship to Canada. And then these 4 next tabs that I'm about to introduce to you about AutoDS are super important if you want to be really successful at this business. And these 4 tabs are also exactly what I use to always get the best products and know exactly how to market the products. First, we have trending products. This shows you what's selling right now based on real data. The market has basically already validated these. You're not following demand, you are not guessing. Next, we have handpicked products, and this is different because this is not an algorithm, it's an actual team of e-commerce specialists who have manually reviewed and selected products based on profit potential and timing. Think of it as having an expert hand you a short list of products to sell right now. Next, we have AdSpy, and this is probably the craziest tool because you know exactly how to market your products. AdSpy shows you what paid paid ads are actively running for products right now. If a seller is spending money on ads for a product, that means that they're profitable enough to scale it. That is a signal you want to follow. You don't want to have to guess if a product is selling or not. This tab literally tells you what you need to know. And then we have TikTok analytics. This shows you why products are gaining organic traction on TikTok. Videos going viral, products being tagged, content getting millions of views. Since all of my students start with organic content, this one is very useful because you can see proof that the content works before you even commit to the product. And by the way, if you want to work directly with me, I'm going to be leaving a link down below in the description box for you to check out. Now, I'm not going to walk you through a full technical tutorial on how to sign up for these platforms because I already have a complete step-by-step video that covers all of that. I will also link that down below. Go watch this after that and you're gonna have a complete step-by-step guide when you pair it with this video. Now, I want to be very honest with you for a second because I know some of you are watching this and somewhere in the back of your mind there is a voice saying this sounds too good to be true. Will this really work? I get it. There is so much noise online, so many people selling a dream without ever being, a real entrepreneur. And I really do not want to be that person for you. So here's what I'm going to tell you about me. While I built many online businesses, I also ran physical businesses. I built an event venue in cash from all the money I made online. It was huge. It was 10,000 square feet. We had weddings, corporate parties, really big events, hundreds of guests. I had a full team. I was under a lot of pressure. I also had a grocery store with a lot of inventory, a lot of employees, and a lot of pressure again. Real operations, real staff, real margins, real problems. And trust me when I say this, there is no business like an online business. You have zero overhead, zero inventory, and zero employees unless you want to. And if you're like me and you love tangible assets like real estate or physical businesses, then you can do the exact same thing as me. Take your online income and transfer it into tangible assets. I'm actually in the process again of buying a cash flow business, and a few months ago I bought a whole building. So I'm not a special person. I just kept going and stayed consistent, and all of this is 100% possible for you if you're willing to put in the work. If you've made it this far in the video, you're serious about this. So I want you to click the first link in my bio. Start the process of signing up for everything I mentioned in this video. And if you need a guide, don't worry, I will link the step-by-step tutorial for you. If you got any value from this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.